We're gonna try to raise that one of ours on the outside. All right. First shot of the day. Got a biter. Okay, we're gonna try the same thing as last time, just a little less weight. We're just trying to draw it in on the left-hand side of the sheet. This is our last stone. They have the hammer yet to go after this. We're sitting 2 in the house right now. All right. Looks a little fast. Off, Marty! Alright, hold on, hold on. Nope.
Do it again, same thing.
All right, 2 points yellow. All right, they're sitting 3 in the house, I think. I need to clean up the middle. Knock a few of theirs out. All right. Wish I would miss that one. Oh, this. This is their last rock of the end. Yep. All right, they are sitting 2 in the house, I think. So we need to draw to the button. No big deal. Not quite.
Okay. So this is hammer.
All right, 2 red. All right, we're trying to chip theirs out on the left-hand side and roll over towards the middle would be great. Tie game so far, 2-2. Feels heavy. But we'll see. Looking pretty good. Look at that. Oh. All right, last rock. They are sitting 2. We're trying to fit theirs into ours and knock it towards the middle. So a little bumpity bump. We'll see. Well, one red. All right, we are trying to draw to the middle slash backside of the house. Freeze it right in front of theirs. That's a chance. Oh! All right. All right, we are sitting 1 and trying to draw to the button for a second point, not take ours out. Nice and light. Off, Marty. Off, off, off. That's a lot of stones in the house. 2 yellow. All right, we are sitting 2 on the outside edges of the house. Just trying to draw around theirs and get it to top of the house. That'll work. All right. All right, we are sitting 3 in the house. And we are just trying to throw our last stone here towards the top of the house. All right. Off, Marty. Off, off, off.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
All right.
That's a nice one. Yeah. It is a date for you.
Last shot of the fifth end. Will's got a good one coming here. Hopefully it's a little heavy. There it goes. Keep going. All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right. All right, we're just trying to take out the stone they have on the left-hand side of the house. Oh, it's curled too much. And it's too fast. Right through. Alright, they are sitting 2 at least. Yeah, 2. And so we're going to try and draw to the house button. Or to the left hand side. Looks a little heavy. No, nope. Oh, hold on, hold on. No.
Let's do the shot that we just did.
Oop.
Stay.
All right.
Stay. Don't cross that line.
Wow, nice job.
Beautiful shot, Will.
All right, they have one stone right on the button. We're just trying to kind of pluck it out of there. Heavy drawing. Oh, not quite. All right, they have one right on the button. We're just trying to draw and tap it back. It doesn't curl much this direction. Hopefully it curls a bit. There it goes. There it goes. Good chance. Good chance. Oh!
All right.
One red.